All right, y'all, gonna be the first test run of this. It's raining out here and it's cold and stuff. It's about 38 degrees, but we're running this on 4S. I am using a new 4S Lipo on there. I've had this battery tested in a couple cars, so I'll put links in the description for all this. And we're just gonna do a quick trial run. I do expect it to spin out a little bit more because it being wet out here. It does have that body lean like a rally car, so this will perform a lot better. Off-road. Or with some stickier tires out here maybe, but I think this rain is slowly turning into little pieces of ice. Once these tires get broken in a little bit. I should have dressed a little bit more for the occasion. Actually, this isn't going bad at all for a little $300 brushless car. I'm actually doing it. I'm making it spin out a little bit more. Now, because it does sit higher, it does catch a little bit more air in the front end of it. But like I said, this is more or less to go off-road than it is to drive out here as I'm driving it right now. And it's going good. This is the perfect, actually, setup for this. And off-road it ought to do good. Straighten this up just a bit. There we go. You know, when I get quiet, I'm enjoying it, even though I'm getting rained on like crazy. I was trying to stand underneath the trunk of my SUV, but I'm gonna actually wrap this up because I'm actually enjoying it somewhat. That's gonna be a quick first run of this. It's raining out here and it's actually pretty cold, but that's pretty good so far. It handled pretty good. I thought I might have flipped over maybe once, but I didn't. Of course, it's a little wet and stuff out, and actually this is actually turned into a little bit of sleet, but so far so good. So anyway, I'm gonna try to get this out. Hopefully the weather will be better tomorrow. I doubt it will be, but I'll definitely get this out and run it, and we'll do some speed tests too. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks guys for watching.